everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here.
That was fun. I have 3 of my girls with me today. We are doing a fun unboxing. We're going to do the FabFitFun Beauty Edit Box, which is 4 items. It can be a monthly subscription. They give you some to choose from. It's usually just like 3 items, but I always find something I want. And Bondi Boost sent over some products for me to try and review with you guys. We're going to open it today. I will try it for a few days before I put this video up, so I can let you know down in the comments what I think and then moving forward. So let's get into it all and check it out. First, we're going to get into the Bondi Boost box. This was so nice. I heard from them, and it's everything I chose, because it's me, is for fine and thinning hair, and it's going to make my hair fuller, and it has like palmetto, saw palmetto, is that what it's called? And rosemary in it, so that as you use it, it not only makes your hair look fuller, it actually helps your hair get fuller. If I can get this open, I'm going to show it to you guys too. Okay, we got it. Better hair days are coming. And look, it's a whole box full of goodies. I can't wait to try it. I have actually seen this in the past and thought about trying it, so when they reached out, I really felt like it was kind of fate. This is perfect. It's the shampoo. That was pretty good luck. That is what it looks like. It is HG shampoo, rosemary, peppermint, ooh, what's that word? Redensil and Procaply. Those are words I don't know. It's for shampooing, and it is 10 ounces. Actually, let me tell you, I'll look it up online and we'll talk about it. It's clean, sulfate, and silicone-free wash day, so it's the duo. I have the conditioner too, I believe. Starts at the scalp, creating the foundation for fuller, healthier-looking hair infused with rosemary to stimulate saw palmetto to help reduce hair fall, which I love the sounds of, and plant-based Redensil and Procaply, aka nature's minoxidil. Bonus, peppermint cools and soothes, leaving your scalp feeling fresh. The result, hydrated, resilient hair that's ready to go the distance. If you are not new to the channel, you know I have been using, I can't get this open and I want to smell it. I have been using the Vegamore serum and feel like it's made a real difference on my hair. So I would love to find another shampoo and conditioner that I love. So I was seriously intrigued when they said it was anti-thinning. That's what it looks like. It's not too thick. I'm gonna try and smell it without getting it on me. Oh yeah, peppermint and rosemary, just like it said. Mostly peppermint. It smells really, really good. I will be very happy to have my hair smell like that. That is always very important. We always talk about that when we talk about shampoos and conditioners, because I think this one's gonna be the conditioner, because what it smells like matters. I have a lot of hair hanging here, and the last thing I want is a shampoo and conditioner that I do not enjoy the scent of. So yes, that is the conditioner. So I will give both of these a try, and I will let you know down in the comments what I think. But I am very, very excited to try something that's gonna make my hair look fuller and ultimately over the long term, make it be fuller. Also, they sent over, I'm not sure what that one is, so let's get into this. I think this is, remember when we did our FabFitFun scroll through, I talked about the Bondi Boost HG Miracle hair mask. It was one of the choices that we could have made, and I said I knew I had it coming, so I am very, very anxious to try this. Again, rosemary, peppermint, and this has Queensland nut oil, which I'm not really sure what that is. The hair mask says deep treat and improve split ends by 84% after just 4 uses. Soft, heavenly hair, no angelic behavior required. Excellent. This clean, silicone-free treatment deep conditions for shinier, healthier feeling hair, enhancing vibrancy for a salon-fresh look, clinically proven to improve split ends. It's infused with argan and jojoba oils to leave hair hydrated, silky, and frizz-free without weighing it down. It's a miracle. So that all sounds fantastic to me. Let's see what it smells like. We'll get some opinions here on what it smells like. You want to come tell me what this smells like, baby?
Yeah.
Oh, I can't. Okay, here we go. Up front of the line. Oh, it's thick. It's much thicker than I thought it was going to be. Much fresher too. I expected this to smell like the rosemary mint, and I don't think that does. What do you think? It smells to me kind of like being in a salon. Just
yeah, it smells like hair product.
Yeah, like if you were in a salon and you would expect them to use it on you.
Yeah,
what
not
do you think,
rosemary or peppermint.
Not rosemary or peppermint with that one. You'd be happy to have your hair smell like that, yes?
Yes.
Oh, it smells like body soap, kind of. It does.
Just really fresh and clean,
Yeah.
like so. Yeah, I like that a lot. All right, I'll be using this tomorrow. We'll be seeing what my hair looks like.
Is the feel like sandy? Like
No.
a sand type, or is it smooth?
No, it's real smooth. It's really thick too. So anxious to try that. And I have one more thing and I don't remember what that is, so that's kind of exciting. Okay, and our last we have excellent. The Bondi Boost HG Heat Protectant Spray. Davidson Plum, Rosemary, and Pro Vitamin B5. And that is what that looks like. Let's see what this says. This says that it is an ultralight mist that shields hair from heat up to 450 degrees without weighing it down. Infused with natural botanicals, it not only guards against future damage, but also mends split ends, clinically proven to improve them by 86% after just one use. The result, softer, shinier, and smoother hair ready to take the heat. The thing about me and split ends is I have really long hair and it does fall out and it does break, but I don't get split ends. I don't know what I do right. I always use a heat protectant, but I just don't have a split ends issue, so I'm glad for that. But heat protectant is the answer, I think, to that. Okay, who wants to smell like this?
Me.
Okay, let's spray your little hands. Oh, try again. Oh,
Got it.
okay, there we go. Can I smell your hand?
Oh,
It smells so good.
It smells good.
I mean, I would smell like this.
What does it
Yeah.
smell like?
It smells good.
It smells like the hair mask.
It smells pretty much like the
Yeah.
hair mask. So just really clean. So the shampoo and conditioner do lean into that rosemary and mint a lot, the peppermint a lot, but the finishing products do not. They have a much fresher, cleaner scent. Okay, I will put links for all of this below. I will put my thoughts down in the comments, and I'm sure I will talk about it more going forward. And I want to thank Bondi Boost for sending this over. Okay, let's open my FabFitFun Beauty Edit box. The FabFitFun Beauty Edit box is a once-a-month box. It is $29.99. You do not have to be a FabFitFun member for the main FabFitFun box. You can just sign up for this, and you do on the first of the month your customization. Like I said, usually just 3 choices for each of the 4 things that are in here, but I never have a hard time finding things that I want. If you have the box, we have seen that it does use some of the same products that they sometimes put in the box, but that's not always a bad thing for me because sometimes I decide not to do additional selections and then I look back. I just did that with what did I do? I did it for like 2 things last month. I was happy to have the choice to do it again. That is what this one's box looks like. She's full. I think I remember what this is, and I will tell you, I am surprised by the size of that box. First out, we're gonna get into that box, and it is the Dr. Jart Cicapair. I love the Dr. Jart Cicapair products. I use several of them, and then in the FabFitFun box I did the serum. I love the Dr. Jart Cicapair because I have really sensitive skin, and I find so much of it helps. So this is the Intensive Soothing Repair Serum Mask with Cica 2 Complex. Dermatologist tested, suitable for sensitive skin. And that's what I look like. And I am surprised by the size of that box. I don't know how many we have in here. I don't see that. Maybe just one, but let's get into it and then we'll know. I will put prices. I will look up the values of each of these items and put it up here. Like I said, it's $29.99 for the box. I always do way better. Oh, there's a lot. Way better than that. There's 5. That is awesome. Is that 5? Yes, that's still 5. I feel like I'm playing a deck of cards. It soothes, repairs, and hydrates. This cooling cellulose sheet mask cocoons skin in a gel-like fabric to deliver intensive, soothing, and skin barrier repair. Skin looks calm, hydrated, and fresh in minutes, infused with a serumy liquid that contains Cica Complex, and that's what my face likes, R Protector, and allantoin. Very happy. I chose that instantly when I saw it because, like I said, I love the Dr. Jart Cicapair products. They do the ceramidin. I've used the drops that are the anti-green. It's a serum that we chose in our box too, so I'm all about the Dr. Jart. Okay, next out we have, what is it? Too Faced Quickie Queen Cream Eye Shadow Stick. All right, I chose it in Love Stone if we got to choose. If I didn't show you guys, that was the box. It's very, very reflective. And then that is the shadow stick. So let's see what this color is. Boy, am I doing something wrong? I think I'm doing, oh, it's I do love having an audience for the big mistakes. I twisted and I twisted. I like this color very, very much. I told the kids that if they were here, I could use their little hands. You're tanner than me. This is gonna give you, here, look, we'll do it both on, one on you and one on me. See how much darker it looks on me because how light my skin is? That's really pretty. I like that. That would be really pretty on your eyes, baby. That's so cute. I like that a lot. It went on super smooth. Didn't it feel creamy when it went on?
Mm-hmm.
I like that a lot. So again, this color was, what did I tell you? Love something. Love stone. So stone is where we're leaning. And it's just got that real stony color. Oh, it's pretty. I like that a lot. You might have guessed that that was not a hand that was old enough for this makeup. They're just helping show the colors. Let's see if I can find another color to play with. Okay, we have the Cali Ray SoCal Super Bloom Lip and Cheek Hydrating Soft Stain. So I will put this on a couple of children because I'm not sure if I got this for me or the 14-year-old that is actually sitting here who went when I opened it. I knew that I had this coming because I picked it. And when I made the choice, I had told her about it when we were at Sephora the other day. All right, this is the color. Ooh. This is all the hands. This is the color we're working with. This is what it looks like. It's just little bits for cheek and lips. I don't think I would put that on my lips. It definitely looks like a cheek color to me, not a lip color in person. Would you? Well, let's take your little hand. This is the freshly minted 7-year-old. Ooh, that's a gorgeous color on you. You lean more warm, baby, because that's a beautiful color on you. And on Anna, go ahead, baby.
I'm more pink.
Yeah, well, are you?
I don't know. Maybe not.
What do you think? It's definitely different on each of you. You guys are a lot the same. Do you like it?
Yeah.
You want to rub it in and see what color it becomes?
Yeah.
That is what it looks like on me.
Ooh.
See how much more it leans peach on me than it did the girls? It's so much more obviously peach because my undertone is, it went away.
No, it's right there.
Oh, can you
It's
see the
kinda
little
like
bit?
a gloss.
Yeah, it is kind of like a gloss, but it goes away enough that you could use it as a blush. I mean, I'm not left with anything here, but you can see right
it
where I
stained,
put it.
yeah.
It did stain. Did it stain you?
A little bit, yeah. I rubbed it in fast though.
Oh, well, I left it on me, so we'll see what happens here in a second. Let's try this.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it definitely stained me more than them because, you know, that's not I don't care for, honestly, I don't care for the color. I don't think it's perfect for me. And I don't particularly, I don't think I would use this on my lips because of the color and the texture. And I don't think I would use it on my cheeks because of the color. Would you put that texture on your cheeks?
I was thinking the same thing, but I don't know.
It does stay. You know, we've talked about the ones that are the blends. Sometimes they are a little tacky. And this one I feel like is staying just a little tacky. That is not perfect for me. Do you want that one, baby?
Sure.
That's what I'm saying. It's always better for one of my girls if it's not good for me. And last, and I have to tell you, I'm very intrigued. I'm going to turn around and see what it is.
I've heard about that brand.
Messy. I will not. What is it?
I think it's hair stuff.
It sounds like it should be hair stuff. That is what it looks like. Isn't that super pretty? I mean, yes, I made these choices in theory on April 1st. But here we are at like April 20 something.
Yeah, 22nd.
I don't remember. I'm not sure. I can, here, baby, while I show this, will you read like that top paragraph? Excellent. I have a reader. Will you read that? Would you get that out for me and then read about it? I do love having an assistant on days like today. But this is the, ooh, she got the
Fancy.
Look how fancy. This reminds me of the Saint, one of you will let us know. Saint Jane, maybe? Saint Jane? What's the first paragraph say, baby?
Like a silk pillowcase in a bottle, a transformative no-rinse serum treatment rich in ultra-repairing castor oil that nourishes and smooths the cuticle to protect hair from breakage and friction while you sleep. Keep by your bedside so it effortlessly folds into your nightly beauty routine.
Oh, nightly.
Apply 1 to 2 pumps from the mid-shaft to ends. Tuck yourself in and leave it overnight.
She had to go back. She sniffed it
smells
and then
like
went
a
back.
candle.
It smells, but it's,
That's it. I'm sorry.
but it
Wait,
smells like just pretty vanilla.
a burning candle.
It smells like vanilla.
Exactly. I think
They
this,
are so good.
I think it smells good, but I think it smells like a candle.
I don't get candle out of it. It is oil. I thought in the beginning, because it's very, I don't know how they make some oils lighter than others. Here, baby, feel this. Somehow they make oils lighter than others. It definitely leaves you like an oil, but it's still somehow light. You know what I mean? Yeah. Some of them feel like olive oil. They still feel really thick.
It's not heavy.
Not heavy. Yeah, it's just really light. I just went over it with my hands and it made my hands super soft.
I'm a straight hair, and I love the scent.
It's very nice. They say to use it at night, so we will give it a try. But yeah, that's super pretty. I love the way, that would be such a lovely gift. You know, just if you were, I like it.
Yeah.
Okay, those were my 4 choices in my FabFitFun Beauty Edit box for April. So we are fast approaching May 1st, and the 1st is when, whether you're a new sign up or you've already been signed up, the 1st is when you do your customization. I will put the link for the FabFitFun Beauty Edit down below. Some months you can still sign up and get that month. Some months when you sign up, you're getting the next month, and then you will do the customization on the 1st. So I will put the links down below, and just be aware of when you sign up what month you're starting with, because I think it depends on whether they sold out. So I got this really, I think the scent, the vanilla scent, is lovely. I got this really lovely scented vanilla hair oil. I got the Dr. Jart masks. We have the Cali Ray lip and cheek tint, and the eyeshadow stick from Too Faced Beauty. So I am very happy with that. I have let you know all of the prices up here in the corner, and I'll give you the total right here so you'll know if it was worthwhile. But I totally, there's no way this isn't worth way more. I mean, the Dr. Jart Cicapair things are probably $29, and then yeah, I'm sure we're way, way over. So thank you so much for coming by, and thank you so much to our swatch models. We're going to make another video. Let's just make another video. So stay tuned. We're coming back with more beauty products. Thank you so much for being here. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. I will put links below for the FabFitFun Beauty Box and for all of the Bondi Boost. That'll smell fantastic. See you guys again soon.